Today we will tour 2150 West Alameda Road, Unit 1197 in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. This two-bedroom, two-bathroom townhome was built in 2017. It offers 1,180 square feet of living space, as well as a two-car garage. The property is located in a community that provides residents with access to amenities such as a swimming pool and recreational facilities. Situated in North Phoenix, the townhome offers convenient access to local shopping, dining, and entertainment options, as well as major transportation routes. The interior features a contemporary design with an open floor plan, including a well-appointed kitchen and comfortable living areas. As you can see, the bedrooms are nice and spacious and come with ceiling fans to keep you cool and comfy year-round. Thanks for watching the tour and have a wonderful day.